governments could easily apply to a tender for installation of solar roofs on their buildings with citizen participation. The advantage there is that because the citizens invest in our cooperative and we invest in the solar roofs, that also those citizens could also use the electric cars to share. So it was a win-win for everybody. So the local governments could have solar roofs and a lower electricity bill, and they also could put the electric car on their park sites, use the cars themselves, and also let citizens use them. So that was a very big advantage in the Flanders. Looking forward to compare the working of the energy cooperatives and the citizen participation between Flanders and the Netherlands, to see where we can find each other and to see where are the differences.